They have jam-packed everything into this shopping centre, so 100% worth coming here. Great day out, well fun. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are here again at Times Square. We're meeting some friends here today, Sky and Charlie.
We are here again with Sky.
And we're going to go to bowling. I'm nervous, scared. And we're going to get some food.
Ready? Very good. Let's check it out.
Let's check it out.
Right, so we've been walking around for about, well,
not
that
4 or
long.
5 minutes.
We've been on the like food bit, and it's mainly like restaurants and stuff. Oh,
here we go.
have we found a food court. It's meant to be really good.
Okay.
What is it?
Bananbro. Oh, we got told about this.
Yeah.
Was it you?
No.
Someone said Bananbro at the Times Square. Someone did say this. Might be someone on the comments. Let's check it out.
Let's do it. It's like banana leaf, I think, with like curry and rice.
Yeah, nice. We could eat that. That sounds good.
By the way, we are here again with Sky. We know her from YouTube. And Charlie. He's just a side man. He's a side man.
He's the main star of the channel, don't lie.
Let's eat some food.
Guys, one ordered the set. I've ordered a butter chicken and
Should we just get 2 chicken butters and 2 rices?
Yeah.
Can we get?
Yeah.
Can I get 2?
Wait, no, I want this.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I want this set.
And can I just get a butter chicken and the white rice? And I think that's it.
So I think we finally figured out how to order. The menu's quite complicated. You get like a set, which can be curry and like some bits of like a banana leaf, and then you can order some curry on the side if you want.
Too many options to choose from. This is fried chicken, but it's red, so I'm worried. Apparently it's not spicy.
it's not spicy, bro.
Yeah, but he likes spice.
We've got banana leaves for little placemat, it's called. Nice.
It's good. Not spicy. Oh, this is our actual plate.
Oh, this is our plate? Oh. Yeah. That's cool. You was like placemat. I thought it was a placemat. What, are they onions?
Oh no, this is real. It's like cucumber type of thing.
Cucumber, nice. You're doing the happy food dance.
White popcorn. Say that pop.
That's nice, it's like buttery.
Yeah.
Let's have some rice.
More one.
It's called mango lassi. It's like, oh yeah, that's good. It's like a mango smoothie. I like that. Like mango.
Yeah,
So we've got chicken curry,
try that.
fish curry, dal, and something else to dip.
I am genuinely over the moon with this butter chicken. It's like the perfect amount of spice. That's right. Don't look. Perfect chicken butter, creamy, exactly how I like it. A little bit of spice, perfect.
Right, let's give this a go then. What is this?
I think it might be more like overview.
It's like fried onion.
It does just taste like a bit like fried onion.
Yeah.
I'll give it that onion taste, yeah. Nice actually.
Onion bhaji taste. Like, I suppose I've got to try it with my hands now, right?
Yeah, you gotta do it. Sky done it, you gotta do it. Dive into that culture.
Ready?
Go on.
Very good. I don't know if there's a difference in the taste, but yeah, it just tastes good. You get to feel it before you actually put it in your mouth. How much was it?
135 for 4 meals. Ain't bad. 26 pounds, just under.
For all 4 of us?
Well, 4 of us.
That's not bad, is
It's
it?
good.
I'm so full after that. It was really tasty. I think it was Indian, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice though. Probably one of the nicest curries. Nicest curry I've had in Malaysia. Really
Definitely recommend it. You should go.
Yeah.
But now we're just like walking around the mall. Sky wants to buy some shoes, so doing a little bit of shopping, and then we are going to go bowling. I think. So let's go. We're on the fashion floor now. We're trying to find some shops with some shoes. You want a boost?
What is a boost?
It's like a smoothie.
I never had one. So apparently we've got to try a boost. Oh, well,
Yeah, we've got them in England.
Well, yeah, they're from Australia, but they are.
I'll get a mini mango.
Ended up buying the banana buzz, and it's got honey in it, banana. Can't remember what else, but it's a banana-y one basically, and it is very, very good, very nice. Right?
Very good. Very sweet.
Yeah,
It's
sweet.
like a milkshake. No,
With honey.
milkshake.
Look how big this shopping mall is. So many floors. It just keeps on going. Just having a look around some shops.
In the shopping mall, there's like a swamp. It's like a swamp, isn't it?
That's weird, isn't it?
Lake.
There's a doll over there. She's throwing a doll.
Bowling!
Let's go bowling.
Let's go bowling. I'm going to be absolutely terrible. I'm going to get battered.
Hello. Where are you going? You going bowling?
Oh, movie, nice. Enjoy.
Soph, do you trust that roller coaster? Are you getting on it?
No.
No.
Not after that.
Not after
the
that video.
food we've just.
Oh, the food.
We've just eaten that banana leaf thing, so I think if I go on that, I'll probably be sick. Very loud.
It's going to be
So we're in like an amusement park, like bit inside the shopping mall. There's obviously the roller coaster here, there's like different rides. I think there's laser quest, there's like bowling.
Cinema.
So there's a cinema as well. There's everything here.
Are you getting on the roller coaster? No.
Probably not.
We'll see. Well, I'm definitely going on.
Are you actually going to?
I really want to go on.
Charlie's queuing for candy floss.
I'll do it if everyone's on it.
If anyone else goes on it, I'll go on it.
Oh, just, yeah.
If we all go on it, we'll go on it.
Let's do it.
Loving life. It's like a big kid.
Looks like a what?
So he's like a big kid.
I thought you said it looks like a big dick.
Let's go.
We're going to go bowling.
Let's go bowling. We're here at the bowling.
Well busy in it.
It's busy, isn't it? Let's hope we get a lane.
Hey, look at them. They're sick.
Oh, bro.
Look at them. They're Velcro boys.
Oh, so bro.
These are little Velcro boys.
Mate, these are sick. I'm buzzing. My granddad wears shoes like this.
They don't feel like they'd save us if we dropped it at school.
No, they're not steel toe cap.
No, they're like really soft.
Yeah.
Speed racer.
Let's fucking go.
Ready?
What we're gonna say?
1, 2, 3, team!
I'm not participating.
Let's go. I'm nervous. Scared. I have to bowl.
Hey, that was good.
That was alright.
Two more.
Two more.
You can get it.
Buster man. Ready? Oi.
I thought I'd try with a heavier ball, see if I could get it. But no.
Yeah.
Right, you gotta do the leg.
Oi. Oi.
Man, you got a strike. How do you feel, Charlie?
Really great.
Okay, I thought that was a strike. So far we're 4 in. Charlie's got 21 points. I've got 44 points. And the problem is, I told him my secret of how to play. I said I look at the floor rather than the bowling pins. And now everyone's doing it and everyone's getting it.
He was saying all day, I've not played this for ages, I'm so bad I'm going to lose, and he's had 2 strikes.
He's had 2 strikes, but we hadn't caught it on camera.
This second game is super tight. Soph's winning with 51 points. I've got 45. Charlie's got 47. And Sky's got, how much do I have? 40. So me and Soph came third, joint third that game. both with 86 points. Charlie was the big winner of that game. Sky came second.
It all changed so quickly. I was winning.
Yeah, you were smashing it. She was doing really well. Yeah.
Charlie was the champion. Sky came second. Good game.
Join last, well done.
Joint last, yeah.
We come joint last. The price of that bowling was £6 per person for 2 games. It was so much fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. Well worth it. So it's in the, where is it? Where are we?
Berjaya Times Square in Kuala Lumpur. They have like everything here. Like they've got shops, restaurants, food court, an arcade, an amusement park, like rides and everything. They've literally got everything here.
They have
And it's great.
jam-packed everything into this shopping centre. So 100% worth coming here. Great day out, well fun. So welcome back to the channel. We're Ty and Soph. We are in Kuala Lumpur today.
So we're going to be showing you our weekly shop in Kuala Lumpur.